Hi Libra, how are you? Libras in this August month are going to feel very happy in their relationship, also incredibly free. It seems this month is very favorable for them when it comes to love and friendship, and friendships are family bonds. They will go out with their friends, have long and meaningful conversation with loved ones, also go to all sort of parties or social events with their where they will feel very comfortable. This month looks peaceful for them, so they will happy to spend time with the people who mean spending something for them. I'm sorry. They are also going to be favored by the stars if they are studying, especially if they are doing in this in the groups. This is because they will have plenty of intellectual energy to understand what they are reading and trying to learn. Not to mention, they will be in the ones explaining their colleagues what they are more difficult about the subject they are studying. The great intellectual abilities of theirs will be extremely positive if they happen to be involved in artistic or creative projects. They can be achieve incredibility things in these sectors. Coming to the love horoscope, the sweetest exchange, the fact what that you need to learn how to love without being independent on your partner could be a challenge for you. You will start developing new projects, not to mention that you will develop new bonds too. Your evolution happens quietly and you gain more self-confident. While feeling free, you will strongly stick to your convictions. At the same time, you are the best at learning from the past mistakes. But the one who makes his or her own luck in August, the stars are going to challenge you. In case you have doubts about returning to an ex, this is because you are still not ready to take on an opportunity. This month is going to incredibly pleasant when it comes to love. Liberals can't stand being alone, and in August they need to be. Those of them who are single will meet someone special at a gathered or a party when many of their friends will be present too. To their joy, they will have many passionate and warm nights next to their partners. Also, the most romantic moments with their special person in their life. We have someone is very lucky. Yeah, coming to the career and finance horoscope, having an amazing energy. Libras are going to be very enthusiastic about in work in August, wanting to do many things. Their career sectors is going to be advantage. Not to mention they perform optimally at all times. In case they are planning to start a business, they should be ahead and do it because they will obtain to great profit sooner rather than later. It goes the same for those Libras who are working communications or sales. August seems to be a successful month for their natives as far as finances goes. They need to keep on putting money aside as there seem to be no changes in their salaries. Therefore, they should be prepared in the event which they need to spend more in the future. It would also be a good idea for them to living aside because if they overspend, they may end up borrowing money. Coming to the health is the wealth. This month's plans are good, very good with you in August. You are in a control of your relationships to you just take advantage of this time period to work on making some of your dream come true. As far as health goes, you seems to be very good predictions, and this only will help influence you a lot, and this will influence you to do well in the other sectors of life too. Libras will have plenty of energy, regardless if they want to go work harder, uh, go out more, or start new projects. They will just need to pay attention to their diet, as they may have a tendency to not eat healthy. This may cause them to get sick, which can lead them to having to take medication, fruits, vegetables, and other words. A natural diet are very also important for them this month. And don't forget to take the vegetables and the fruits. Just take this medication also. Thank you so much. And one thing I want to tell you, Libras, totally this month is so good. Finances, career base, love horoscope base, and health base. Certainly, almost is so good. You need to do one thing, and don't forget to watch other horoscopes, monthly horoscopes also there, weekly horoscopes also there. My city Visakhapatnam videos also there, daily horoscopes also in there. Just to do only one thing, just click like, and second one is subscribe me. Thank you so much, and good day. Namaste.